Let's have a look at grinding. Grinding is defined as the process in which roasted coffee beans are ground into smaller particles in order to release their flavor when brewing. Grinding is also known as milling, and by using one piece of equipment known as the coffee grinder, this procedure takes place shortly before the brewing process. The grinding of coffee beans increases the surface area of each bean, and thus facilitates the brewing process and allows the full potential of flavors to be unleashed. The fineness of the grind largely influences the effects of brewing, and is best when matched to the brewing method. The grinder is a piece of equipment that takes the roasted coffee beans and uniformly grinds them to produce coffee that is ready for brewing. The size of the coffee grounds depicts how it should be brewed. Brewing methods which involve exposing the coffee grounds to heated water for long amounts of time require a coarser grind than other, faster brewing methods. Similarly, if the ground beans are too fine and exposed to heated water, they can sometimes produce a bitter, harsh, over-extracted taste. At the other extreme, an overly coarse grind will produce weak coffee, as the water has not had the ability to extract the correct amount of flavor from the coarse grind. Hence, the importance in aiming for a ground coffee bean directly